Hey, I'm Abigail and welcome to my channel Codenerdette. Here we dive into tech content with a special focus on AI. You'll find tech tutorials, tech arts and even tech news and sometimes a bit of tech lifestyle. If you're into tech resources, artificial intelligence, automations or even building apps faster, or you just want to learn a smarter dev workflow, this is the right place for you. We have also built a big community of over 1,500 Telegram developers where we share ideas, help each other out, and even test new tools together. And if you've been around and want to even, support us deeper, right? Support this channel, I've now got memberships. Yes. It all started because there were some certain acts and tricks we didn't want the public, to find out about or get viral. And we thought about creating memberships. But then if we're doing something, you need to do it properly. And that's why we have 4 different categories of membership. We have the supporters for exclusive posts. We have inner cycle, right? You join our private telegram, you get behind the scenes update from Codenerdette. We have the founder cycle. You access our private GitHub repos on projects and even vote on future projects. We have consultation, get on our one-on-one feedback or advice from me. Whether you join as a member or you just want to hang out and watch, I am really glad you're here. Hit the subscribe if you've not, and let's do something quick together. Thank you.